Windows are an essential part of your home's structure and aesthetic, serving both functional and decorative purposes. Over time, however, windows can become worn out, outdated, or inefficient, compromising your comfort and energy bills. In Cayce, a city known for its unique climate and the subtropical weather conditions of the Carolinas, knowing when to replace your windows is vital for maintaining a comfortable and energy-efficient home. Here are some signs that it may be time to consider window replacement. Drafts and temperature inconsistency. If you've noticed that certain rooms in your house feel colder in the winter or warmer in the summer than others, or if you feel a draft near your windows even when they're closed, this is a major sign that your windows may not be performing properly. Over time, window seals can break down, allowing air from outside to seep in. This causes your HVAC system to work harder to maintain your desired indoor temperature, leading to higher energy bills. If you're experiencing temperature inconsistencies, it's worth checking for visible signs of air leaks, such as gaps or cracks in the window frame. In Cayce, where the weather can vary dramatically from season to season, a drafty window can cause discomfort year-round and drain your energy resources. Condensation between glass pane. Another clear indicator that your windows may need replacement is condensation forming between the panes of glass. This often happens with double-pane windows, which are designed to trap a layer of air between two panes of glass for insulation. When the seal between the panes fails, moisture can seep in, causing condensation or fog to build up. Not only is this an eyesore, but it also indicates that your window's insulating properties have been compromised, affecting your home's overall energy efficiency. In a city like Cayce, where humidity levels can be high, this issue can worsen over time, leading to mold growth or other damage if not addressed. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Another sign it might be time for a window replacement is if your windows are difficult to open, close, or lock properly. Wooden window frames can warp, while metal or vinyl frames may become bent or damaged due to age and exposure to the elements. This can make it frustrating to use your windows, and, in some cases, the inability to secure your windows could pose a safety risk. If your windows are stuck or do not close properly, it could indicate that the frame or the window itself is no longer structurally sound. This issue is especially concerning in a climate like Cayce's, where summer storms and high winds are common. A window that won't close properly could be vulnerable during a storm. Increased energy bills. One of the most common reasons homeowners in Cayce seek window replacement is a noticeable spike in energy bills. Inefficient windows are a major culprit for energy loss, especially during the hot, humid summer months when your air conditioning system is working overtime to cool your home. Poorly insulated or damaged windows allow heat to escape in winter and enter in summer, forcing your HVAC system to run more frequently. If you've noticed an increase in your monthly energy costs and suspect your windows are to blame, it might be time to evaluate their condition. Investing in energy-efficient windows can lower your energy bills in the long run, providing a return on investment while improving the comfort of your home. Visible damage or wear. Windows endure exposure to the elements, including intense sun, rain, and wind. Over time, this can lead to visible damage, such as cracked or chipped glass, warped frames, or discoloration. If your windows are showing significant wear, it could be both a cosmetic and structural issue. In Cayce, the mix of hot summers and cool winters can take a toll on window frames. A damaged window not only looks unattractive but can also affect the overall integrity of your home. Cracked or broken glass should be repaired immediately, and if the damage is extensive, it might be a sign that a complete window replacement is necessary. Noise disturbance. If you live near a busy street, airport, or other noisy areas, your windows play an important role in noise insulation. As windows age, they can lose their ability to block outside noise, allowing more sound to enter your home. If you've noticed that your home has become louder, especially during the night when you're trying to sleep, it might be time to consider replacing your windows with newer, soundproof models. Upgrading to windows with soundproofing features can create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment, which is especially valuable in a growing area like Cayce, where development and traffic can increase noise levels over time. Conclusion. Window replacement is an investment that pays off in comfort, energy savings, and home value. If you're experiencing drafts, condensation, difficulty operating your windows, or a rise in energy costs, it may be time to consider a replacement. Cayce's fluctuating weather conditions and high humidity make it particularly important to keep your windows in good condition to ensure the energy efficiency and safety of your home. If you're unsure, consulting with a professional window specialist can help you assess the condition of your windows and determine the best course of action.